This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Shauna Calvert. 407 Sandsend, Apollo Beach. This 2021 built Park Square Homes Seville floor plan offers 1,932 square feet of single-story living on a peaceful private conservation lot with no rear neighbors. Located just a short distance from the MiraBay clubhouse, this home combines modern design with a prime location in one of Tampa Bay's top communities. Inside, the open floor plan features 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. The kitchen is designed for cooking and entertaining, with stainless steel appliances, a gas cooktop, 42 cabinets, quartz countertops, and a large island with a breakfast bar overlooking the living room. The spacious primary suite includes an extra-large walk-in closet and a private bath with dual quartz sinks and a giant walk-in shower. The home has been upgraded with beautiful porcelain with look tile flooring in the main living areas, custom light fixtures, and window treatments. A flexible entrance can be used as a dining area or home office. The split floor plan provides privacy, with the first guest bedroom and bath in a separate hallway, making it a great option for an in-law suite. The covered and screened rear patio offers a relaxing space to enjoy the view of the pond and conservation area. A brick paver driveway adds to the curb appeal, and the seller is open to considering a turnkey sale. MiraBay residents enjoy resort-style amenities, including a 10,000 square feet clubhouse, 2 outdoor heated pools with lap lanes and a water slide, a 24-hour fitness center, tennis, basketball, and pickleball courts, scenic trails, fishing pier, ponds, and parks. The community also features a cafe, lounge, and an on-site activities director. The nearby Wolf Creek Preserve is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. This is a great opportunity to own a well-maintained home in a popular neighborhood.